Okay, it's nice you did a textured ball. I think it's kind of like this. The squash and stretch is really on the big side here for this first bounce, but the ball's not really moving fast enough to kind of justify that. But then you go from sort of an extreme squash and stretch to like really just a, it seems like none here or so small. It's imperceptible. So I think that you should do a combination of toning down the first few squash and stretches and then, maybe increasing, the next couple a little bit more. And I felt like this, it's hard to tell because it's hard to see where the ground plane is, but I felt like this bounce would look better if it was in the air less time, like shorter. Well, maybe it's all right for a cartoony bounce. I guess that's fine. It seems like you're penetrating the ground plane a little bit there too. Realistic. Yeah, I think that's really good. Um, Sometimes if it's kind of like a harder surface ball, I like to do the last couple bounces really quick. Um, oh, you did your rotation on that instead of the rotation thing. That makes it a lot more difficult. Or you did both? Hmm. Yeah, you're not supposed to rotate this one. You're supposed to rotate the rotate one. That one, which you didn't keyframe. So yeah, you didn't use the controls the way they were meant, which just could make things harder and harder to make changes. But anyway, who's translate X is going, but oh no, there's the Y. So just want to look at that Y translate curve. Yeah, you've got these nicely shaped bounces. That's a bit extreme though. I don't know if you're gonna see the difference anyways. Oh, it's literally, wait, how many frames? Anyway, I was just gonna say, so how many frames is this? Yeah, it's just one frame. Um, up and one frame down. But if you want to put another little one in there, you could. Like even smaller than this one. So if that's 1.065, you could do like 1.035 or something like that. And then I just have auto keyframe on here. That's why it's putting in a keyframe. And then back to 1. And that looks messed up, but actually it doesn't even matter if it's just one frame. It doesn't, because you don't see the in-between frames unless you're using like motion blur or something. It's like barely noticeable, those little ones, but they add a sort of little vibration at the end that's kind of nice for like a heavy ball. I may even have that first, like maybe the first jump spend less time in the air too. It just feels a little floaty. This one. Do these get much shorter? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, they definitely get shorter each time. Yeah, I think you've done a really good job here. Looks good, very good.